just checked into the hotel. It's pretty nice. It's in Arlington. Really nice hotel. So here's what I prepped on the trip. I got spare shoes so I don't have to wear the motorcycle boots everywhere. I brought my pajama. That's my motorcycle pants. Yeah, and then this is the tire patch kit. This is the pump. My pajama, underwear, everything clean. I packed them into a bag like this. My pajama, and that's it. Everything fits inside this 20-liter US 20 bag. I still have like a helmet cleaner on the top level here, and some towels. So that reminds me, I gotta go clean my helmet. It has so many bugs. Yeah, and this is the bathroom. I look like shit right now. It's pretty nice, pretty clean. I booked this with my Bilt points because I used to have the Bilt credit card, but I stopped getting the Bilt V2, like the 2.0, so I thought might as well just use all the points. So booked this for 2 days, plus I think about $100 extra. Still pretty worth it. I like it. What's in my bag? This is a Peak Design Everyday Backpack V2, I believe. I also bought their camera box thing. Which has a Nikon ZR, which is what I shoot video with. I sometimes shoot photos as well, and I also brought my Nikon F3. So hopefully I get to use these two. Other than that, I got my headphone. This is like charger, wallet, ID, stuff like that. And my, toothbrush, sunscreen, face wash, things like that. And the jacket. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's all I have.
Is exactly the way the eagle looked the day she landed.
Raisin. Arm. Horton. Arm. Ready. Hey. Ha.